Welcome back to the Aspen Home Experience, where I show you the best that Aspen has to offer. Today, we're at the Christiana Condominium Complex. Come join me. The epitome of mountain contemporary, this 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom sets the stage for all that Aspen has to offer. Enjoy a chef's kitchen, living, dining, and primary bedroom all on the entry level. On the lower level of the condo, we have 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and a cozy den space for you to watch your favorite movie. Thanks for joining me on this episode of the Aspen Home Experience. I hope you enjoyed the Christiana condo. Feel free to leave me a comment on what you would like to see next in Aspen. And don't forget to like and subscribe.